We recently bought two nightstands from Facebook Marketplace, but there was one problem. They were white and they did not match with the rest of our furniture. So hence our new project. I needed to strip them from the white paint and make them look as original as possible. Next step is paint stripping, and I used a chemical for that purpose, and I applied it with a regular paintbrush. Here you can see how the chemical paint stripper does its magic during a period of about 10 minutes in time lapse, and you can see how the paint is reacting. To remove the old paint, which now looked like a sticky compound, I used a paint scraper and just applied some force. Now that the nightstands are cleared from the paint residue, it begins the most time-consuming process of them all, meaning sanding, and you will see lots of sanding. Luckily, my little helper joined me and the sanding process moved on smoother. At some point I understood that sanding by hand or with a small sander is quite tricky, and as always with different projects you need to buy some tools during the project. So I bought a cordless palm sander from Ryobi, which made the job a lot easier. Check out the separate review video of the palm sander under my YouTube page and the link on the screen. For more delicate sanding, I use the Ryobi rotary tool. Sanding and cleaning did not stop even in the evening, because there was a lot of different small details which needed to be taken care of. Next day here, and guess what? I'm still sanding. Okay, now the sanding part is finally completed after a lot of hard work, and now we can move on to the polishing part, because there is a lot of different trim pieces which need to be taken care of. The original screws are just terrible, so I will later replace them. Removing the hinges was a bit of a nightmare, so I even had to drill the bits of old screws out to get them eventually removed. To polish the trim pieces, I use just regular car polishing compound. While removing the hinges, there was a little crack in the door, but it's no biggie. I can glue it with super glue. I'm not really sure is it the right way to do it or not, but it worked. Waxing part was the most satisfying of them all, because now you finally get to see the color of the nightstands, and it's just so something so satisfying about that job. So this part I enjoyed the most. I figured that the nightstands are missing a shelf, and I had a little piece of IKEA furniture left, which I decided to use for that purpose. Roughly 3 days of work and approximately 16 hours spent in the garage, and the result is here. To be completely honest, I'm really happy with the end result, because the nightstands are matching quite nice with our furniture, especially with the wooden drawer, which I also restored on my channel. The link is here. If you watched till this part of the video, I'm really thankful for your support, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!